Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about strawberries, imported or domestic. And the Chinese title is "探讨国产草莓与进口草莓的价格与销量比较." And I'm in group C36. So, yeah. Okay, first comparison. We need to compare the imported strawberries and the domestic strawberries. And the first imported strawberries are more expensive, mostly due to taxes. And secondly, domestic strawberries are seasonal, so which means in Taiwan we can buy strawberries in from November to next year, May. And third, imported strawberries have been tested to have pesticide left on the surface, and that's on news everywhere. So it might um, it, it might have some influence on the buyers. So yes, and I choose the strawberry market in Taipei from January 1st to May 9th for the analysis. And next is the collecting data. And the left hand side is the Excel I use to collect my data and the imported price and quantity and the domestic price and quantity. I need to do the analysis. So, wait, okay, and the inference. So after I look into those data, my first inference is there will be fewer amount of trading for the imported strawberries than one for the domestic strawberries due to the high price and yes. And now let's talk about data analysis. The first I use is correlation analysis, and from this table we can see that because PI, the imported price, often held still, there are no obvious correlation between imported and domestic strawberries. Yes, so I cannot conclude anything useful like the examples of broccolis in class. So I use analysis, the mean comparison, and then in this one, the results is very obvious. The t statics is above 17 and the p-value is under 0.05. So it means that the means in two groups are significantly different, and the price of imported strawberries are higher than ones of domestic strawberries. That yes. And the conclusion. The first is because the prices of imported strawberries are mostly held still. I guess it's due to trade policy, and we cannot conclude the correction between PI, which is imported price, and PD, the domestic price. And number two, on the other hand, from the results of mean comparison, the prices of imported strawberries are always much higher than ones of domestic strawberries, which leads to the amount of trading for imported strawberries much lower than for domestic strawberries, much like the demand, the law of demand. Yes, and the conclusion fits the inference, so there will not be further inference for this topic. And I Thank you very much.